Hola, hey, hi, welcome to Elena's beauty salon. Today I'm going to teach you a little tutorial. I'll show you a picture for reference because I'm a professional. So I was just on Instagram looking at memes because that's all I do on my daily basis. So I came across this picture and I've been seeing that I don't know. I don't really know. But Tide Pods have been I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So I saw this picture. Let me just show you. Let's get to the point. Okay. So I saw this. Focus. Oops, don't look. But yeah, you see? Yes. So I saw it and I got really inspired. I was like, oh, I want to recreate that look. I think it'd be funny. So I was like, oh, let's do a tutorial. So that's what I'm gonna do. So if you want to watch me do a makeup tutorial, continue and watch. It'll be a fun time. Okay, so first things first. So I got a bunch of brushes. They're all kind of dirty because I'm a professional makeup artist. Obviously I have dirty brushes. We're gonna go into my Huda Electric Obsessions palette. I really like it. I highly recommend these colors. You see these? Beautiful, huh? We're gonna take our dirty Morphe M433 brush. Yep. We're gonna dip into this yellow and just apply it all over our lids, you know? And it's okay if some orange gets on there because, you know, that's how we live. And you know what? It's so new. I'm taking this. I really like this yellow because it pops. Most yellows that I use in other palettes don't really show up that well, but this one does. So if you're looking for a yellow, I highly recommend this one. Just like that, you know? So I'm taking this brush from Morphe. It's M149. It's probably dirty with other eyeshadow on it, but oh well. And we're gonna go underneath with the same yellow. Just like that. Okay. So now we got our base all Gucci. We're gonna go this Morphe R41 brush and we're gonna dip into this orange color. It's very pretty. And we're gonna focus this on the outside. And again, if other eyeshadow color comes on, who cares? Next, what I'm gonna do, take this reddish color. Doesn't really show up red on my eyes, kind of comes out pink. But you know, we're just gonna use it a tiny bit. My eyes always water when I'm doing eyeshadow, and it's like going back into this palette as per usual with a little Sephora eyebrow brush into this shade right here, and we're just gonna, you know, paint our eyebrows on. Ba-boom. And now we're going into this one. And you know, add some pizzazz and sparkles into the brows because it's 2018. So I have this palette. Yeah, so we're just gonna take the shade Ministry. It's like a blue. Psych! We're taking a yellow shade. It's called, I don't really know what it's called. Can't really read these big words. It's too hard. And we're just gonna place this yellow shade right here. And we're gonna take a white sparkly shade called Absolution and place it right in the inner corners of our fingers because it's professional makeup artist. Get on my level. And with going back with that yellow shade and just like that. Yes, so I'm taking this white eyeliner from NYX. And I'm just going to just like that, you know? It's fine. We're professionals. We learn from our mistakes. Nothing's perfect. Yikes. What's the least? What's the most cleanest brush I own? Okay, so we're just gonna like kind of blend this. Just like that, you know? And we're gonna take this again because I messed up. Next, I'm going back into this palette and I'm taking the shade Devil. I can't speak English words. What I'm gonna do is go with this eyeliner from Kat Von D, Slay. I'm just gonna do a little wing eyeliner. When I said little, I meant big. I'm about to fly away with this wing. That's enough eyeliner for today. I can't even right now. I just can't. I can't get over myself right now. I just messed up this whole look. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is go into this palette, take this sparkly blue, don't know what it's called. You know, I'm just, this is a disaster. It's all fun and games until your eyeliner decides to have a mind of its own. I'm very triggered. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. I swear I'm a makeup artist. Like, I swear I'm good. I'm not even gonna say I'm doing anymore, honestly. Hopefully. We're going into the Anastasia Glow Kit with this brush. Don't come at me. I'm just a child. I'm just an infant. If you want to know what shade I'm using the shade Marshmallow. You probably don't care though. You know? Just put highlight everywhere. You can never glow. None. Boom. We're going into this Kat Von D lipstick. The color's called Hellbent. I really like this one. It's the only one I have, but you know, I really like it. Honestly, who is she? Like, I believe, with all my heart, honestly, like, Jeffree Star, James Charles, Nikki Tutorials are quaking. They're shook right now, like, honestly. Who is she? She is Vogue. Honestly, like, makeup school, who? I graduated already? Who is she? I'm woke. I'm awoke. To top everything off and have a wonderful day, we're taking some mascara. honestly, like, hit me up if you want me to be your makeup artist for like grad or like your wedding or like any major event in your life, because I'd happily love to do it for you. You know, from a distance, it doesn't look that bad. The highlight just pulls everything in together. But like, honestly, expectations versus reality, like, here, I'll zoom you in. It just kind of looks like I got punched in the eye the night after some rowdy clubbing. So yeah, that was a failure of a makeup tutorial. I honestly don't know how I went so wrong. Honestly, I'm usually decent at makeup, but this is I don't know what happened. Whew. So honestly, if you want, you can subscribe. My camera's about to die. I suggest giving a like. Turn on your post notifications from me so you're notified when I post next. I don't have any set dates, you know. I just kind of post whenever. I'm just like, oh, I feel like filming a video. Then I'll film one and post one. So yeah, if you like this, subscribe. Subscribe. Honestly, I'll do better makeup tutorials in the future. I swear I will. Swear on my heart. Swear. Cross my fingers, hope to die. I will. That was probably a lie. And I'm very itchy and I'm dying. Peace out.